This question is from GATE Mechanical Engineering of 2019. This is question number 4 of set 2. The question is, an analytic function f of z of complex variable z is equal to x plus iota y may be written as f of z is equal to u x comma y plus iota v x comma y. Then u and v must satisfy these 4 conditions are given here, and we need to find that which of the combinations satisfy u and v, which is function of x and y. Now first let's understand this problem and then we can find the solution to this problem. Let f of z be a single valued function of the variable z is equal to x plus iota y. Then the derivative of w is equal to f of z is defined to be dw by dz is equal to f dash of z, which is equal to limit delta z tends to 0 f of z plus delta z minus f of z divided by delta z, provided this limit exists and the same value for all the different ways in which delta z approaches to 0. This delta z approaches to 0. Now suppose p of z, this point is p of z, is fixed and q of z plus delta z, let it be this point. The point q may approach point p along any straight line like this from p to q, or a curved path like this that's shown by this red curve or this white curve in this given region. So this point is also, it can be written as p x comma y, and this q can be written as q x plus delta x comma y plus delta y. So this point here, it will become x plus delta x comma y, and this point will be x comma y plus delta y. Now when it travels from q to p, this delta z tend to 0. Delta z may tend to 0 in a manner that dw by dz may not exist. It therefore become a fundamental problem to determine the necessary and sufficient condition for dw by dz to exist. The fact is settled by following theorem. Now let's see the theorem that settle this matter. So let's write the theorem down below here. Now according to the theorem, the necessary and sufficient condition for the derivative of the function w is equal to u plus iv, that is f of z, to exist for all value of z in a region R, this region right here, this region is called R. So why we are talking about the derivative of f of z? Because analytics means the function is differentiable. So the first condition is dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, and dou v by dou y. They are continuous function of x and y in R. So these are continuous function. In R. Okay, and the second condition is dou u by dou x should be equal to dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y should be equal to negative of dou v by dou x. So these are the two necessary conditions for the function to be analytic. This is also known as Cauchy-Riemann equation, or in short it is also called as CR equation. Now according to this theorem, let's check our given options. So we see here that option B is the correct answer. Dou u upon dou x should be equal to dou v upon dou y, and dou u upon dou y should be equal to negative of dou v upon dou x. To get more information on analytic function or the CR equation, you can follow the lecture of analytic function of a complex variable part 1 of selected topics in mathematical physics by Professor V. Balakrishnan of the Department of Physics, IIT Madras. Hopefully I was able to solve your doubt. Have a great day. Thank you.